What's up YouTube? So this video is revisit of the Sony Expria of Sony Expria 35302. Okay, so moving on to the physical overview. The physical overview is still good in 2018. Not perfect, not gorgeous, but it is better than the Nokia 2. You would say Nokia 1. Yeah. Okay, so at the bottom we can see at the bottom, let me focus. Okay, at the bottom you can see a transparent thing here, which I will tell you in other. Okay, so here you can see it is in glass. Okay, so display, it is a 720p display, which is good, vibrant. क्या दिक्कत
हुआ? मैंने क्या किया? मैं देख रहा हूँ कैसे मिल गया। जबरदस्ती इसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है।
अच्छा ठीक है। हाँ, this is powered by an MediaTek MT67, and at the back we can see a very small sensor. Okay, so here you can see that sensor is so small, and at the side there is a speaker grill, and here there is a flash, single LED flash. Here is plastic, here's the shutter button, camera shutter button. Wow. Here is headphone jack. Here is the microphone, very awkward microphone. And here's the front camera. And this is a pretty shocking thing, that this one is having NFC, which is not in the new budget phone now available. Wow man, this thing is good. And till then I am making my video. The battery is pretty good, as I am expecting it to be. Okay, so here you can see the photo, and here is the light. Man, I like this light. This light is superb. This is pretty appealing. This light is appealing, man. If you would look like this, you can see here the light is so good. It is looking like and there's my brother, the Pranshu Vesh, the tech guy. Here's the card, subscribe him. And here you can see the light again, and the home button is haptic feedback. Here's old days is back. Yes, and pretty usual stuff. And thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel, and click here to subscribe my channel. And the orientation, click here to subscribe my channel, click here to see my last video, and click here to see my most viewed video.